What if you could build real software today without a degree, without memorizing syntax, and without staring at a blank screen wondering where to even start? That's exactly what Play First programming is about. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. Most people think learning to code means months of tutorials, textbooks, and exercises before you ever make anything real. And that's exactly why most people quit. They study before they build. They learn rules before they have anything to apply them to. By the time they get to the fun part, making something, they're already burned out. Play First programming flips that completely. Here's the core idea. Software is a toy before it's a tool. Instead of studying first, you build first and learn as you go. You start with a curiosity. Something like, what would happen if I made a web page full of drifting stars? You describe that idea to an AI, Claude, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, any of them work, and all have free tiers. The AI builds it for you. Then, and this is the important part, you play with what comes out. You run it, you watch it, you break it on purpose, and then you change one thing and see what happens. That's it. That's the whole method. It's called the Play First loop, and it has 4 steps. Step 1. Start with curiosity. Ask yourself, what would happen if that's your only starting point? Step 2. Ask AI to build it. Describe your idea in plain English. No code required. Step 3. Play with it. Don't judge it. Observe it. Poke at it. Break it deliberately. Step 4. Change one thing. Make it faster, stranger, weirder. Follow the surprise. Then repeat. Forever. Every experiment teaches you something. And the more you play, the more you understand, without it ever feeling like studying. Now, who is this for? Honestly, anyone who's curious. Complete beginners with zero experience. People who tried coding before and felt totally overwhelmed. Hobbyists, tinkerers, artists, designers, teachers, retirees, developers who want to rediscover why they love this in the first place. Play First programming isn't for deadlines or clients or production code. It's not a boot camp. It's a clubhouse for curious builders. The only qualification you need is asking, what if? If you can do that, and you can, you're already a Play First programmer. And here's the best part. Everything you need is free. A free AI tool, Claude, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek all work great. A browser or free software, HTML experiments run instantly in any browser. Python uses IDLE. C# uses Visual Studio Community. All free. And Curiosity, which you clearly already have, or you wouldn't still be watching. Your first experiment takes about 5 minutes. No account needed. No setup. Just a prompt and a little curiosity. Head to playfirstprogramming.com and hit start here. I'll see you on the other side.